Hi everyone, welcome again to episode 2 on this channel, and today we're in a place called Bridgewater, Massachusetts. Still, we're on the East Coast. Wow, why is Team Rocket standing right behind me? Wow, this place is really active. Check it out, guys. Let's go ahead and scan the Pokestops here first. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is Bridgewater State University Campus Center. Bear artwork. This artwork is right to the next level. Look it up, guys. It's really interesting. Look at it. That's so cool. So we're gonna go ahead and spin it, and of course get the goodies. Ooh, we got a Pikachu dress in there for Christmas time, so that's really cool. Let me see actually what else we can scan here. Wow, so many Pokestops in here. This is Science and Mathematics Center. We're still inside Bridgewater State University, and of course we're in Massachusetts. We are on the East Coast, guys, here. This is called, wow, lots of Pokestops here. Bridgewater State University Adrian Rondelou Campus Center. Beautiful place, really. There is a lot of activities going on in here. This is why this place is really interesting, and you can see a lot of Pokemons here. I'm looking around to see a new Pokemon that we haven't caught, but we're gonna go ahead and catch one of these ones, guys, so we can learn about it. I see a Pikachu in there that is all dressed up for Christmas. Wait, what is this Team Rocket thing going on? It's called Stern's Technical, or Bridgewater State University Stern's Botanical Garden. It's all owned by Team Rocket right there, because I could see it's dark. Let me see what she's saying. Looking for more items. There is mine now. They're mine. Actually, when you spend some time in there, you could actually respin those. You could respin those, the Pokestops, in order for you to get, to get more stuff. If you spend a good amount of time on there. There's a Pokemon in here that I don't have, so let me go ahead and catch this one. It's a Snowrunt. So Snowrunt, I'm going to catch, is shivering. It's really cold. Probably comes out only this time of the winter. So Snowrunt, let me go ahead and try to catch him. But now that I've realized there's a Team Rocket here, maybe next time I'm back into Bridgewater State, I'll try to, battle Team Rocket again. But that was an epic fail. It was really an epic fail. If you guys know what I should be doing, or what you think I did wrong, let me know in the comment section below, so we can know exactly how to take on Team Rocket. I'm going to keep researching it to see if I can really take on Team Rocket, but that was an epic fail. That was not good at all, and at least we've caught this Pokemon Snowrunt, so we're gonna go ahead and learn about him in our Pokedex. So let's go ahead and register him to our Pokedex, opening the Pokedex to see what Snowrunt is exactly all about. Snowrunt. Let's see what this Pokemon is. So Snowrunt is Pokedex number 361. Looks really cute. He's hiding in there in his blanket because it's always cold. Let's see. He's about 2 feet and 4 inches. He's about 37 pounds. It can be male or female. He has inner focus, and he has a nice body with a snow heart. So he looks cute. You can see he evolves into really beautiful looking Pokemon. You can see he starts off as a Snowrunt, 361 number, and 362 is Glally. That's where he evolves into, and 478 Frostlass. Listen, for a Pokemon lover, you cannot, trash another person for saying the Pokemon names wrong. That's what it is. But this is his final evolvement, and if we're to draw, this is the one we're going to be drawing. After a woman met her end on a snowy mountain, her regrets lingered on from them. This Pokemon was born. Its favorite food is frozen souls. So it's kind of a ghost Pokemon at this point. It spits out cold air of nearly 60 degrees Fahrenheit to freeze its quarry. It brings frozen prey back to its lair and neatly lines them up. Wow, this is a creepy Pokemon. Wow, it is really it looks cute. but it's a ghost Pokemon that is also very creepy. It has creepy, tendencies to it. But this is what we're going to be drawing next, guys. This is what we caught. And remember, we caught him in Bridgewater, Massachusetts. So thank you guys so much for watching. And we'll be back again with a next video, which is going to be episode number 3. This was episode number 2. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Let me go ahead actually and spin these ones a little bit. Oh, my bag is full. My item bag is full. So I'm going to go ahead and take off, guys. But I'll see you again in the next video. Ciao for now.